Disco Elysium is free right now on Epic Games Store. Claim it fast before the offer ends and keep it forever. All you have to do is open up Epic Games Launcher. If it doesn't have it, then search on Epic Games Launcher in Chrome and select the official site and select the download option and download and install the Epic Games Launcher. Once it's done, just search in store Disco Disco Elysium, select the base game. As you can see, it is free right now. Select the get option. As you can see, it has 0 rupees. Select the place order option. Select the view and library, and you ordered the game. As you can see, Disco Elysium is ordered. Select the game and select the install option, and it will start downloading. Select the yes option. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.